Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. All right, guys, Taurus, let's see what's in store for you for the summer solstice. Let's go. We have Ah, wow. Okay, there's quite a few cards that popped out, but I'm going to pull this one, Enchantment. I'm going to take it. It popped out first. There's two others that popped up. Wow. Abundance. So we have Enchantment, Abundance, and let's see what was the third card. Okay, Study. Third card is Study, but I'm really called in this picture actually to the rainbow, so we'll come back to that. But beautiful cards for Taurus. Wow. It is Enchantment, Abundance, and Study. Okay, with the rainbow. So Taurus actually has the planet of Venus as its ruler, and as you know, Venus is about abundance, about enchantment. So it's really amazing that you guys got these cards. So the second half of the year, from the solstice, 2021 June, and the solstice, I always feel is like a magical time. It's a time, to do with rainbows and magical lights and the northern lights. I think at this time of year, the solstice time, winter, summer, I think it's more prominent and it touches the earth at a point where it's more easily seen. I might be wrong, but I'm thinking of that movie Brother Bear, and I'm thinking of the rainbow. And immediately when we saw this card, I was drawn to the rainbow. So, guys, the next 6 months, I feel is all about abundance for you, but not only abundance with wealth, but abundance of time, abundance of energy, abundance of resources. And often we forget that the abundance we wish to create in terms of wealth actually are there to lead us to abundance of time and energy, abundance of resources, abundance of energy. These things we usually try to work towards. But if you're getting that right off the bat, you know, for example, abundance of resources or energy or time, it's actually receiving the abundance firsthand. And often people confuse that or forget that. Or I have kinds or do readings where people are working so hard and they forget that the very thing they're working for is sometimes what they're already given. So, for example, if somebody gives you a whole bunch of I don't know, if you wanted to plant a garden and they gave you a whole bunch of seeds, or you exchange something with a friend, that's all forms of abundance. Or somebody gifted you something, or you had a half a day off and you didn't expect it. All of those things are forms of abundance. But Taurus, I feel you're going to have a lot of these things come up in the next 6 months. Rest, rejuvenation, magical moments also of I'm seeing like a fairy tale like energy, but not where it's unrealistic. It's going to be quite grounded and quite realistic, and you're going to make it so the next 6 months, even if you draw out a plan like every 2 months, I wish to create some sort of magic or some sorry guys, I have the door open for the natural light today because it's really quite beautiful with the sunshine, and I think the traffic is getting a little heavy out there, so I hope you can hear me quite well. But yeah, it seems to have passed. So maybe you can make a plan for the next 6 months from the solstice, maybe every 2 months, what you wish to create, some magical or enchanting moment or manifestation or goal or dream of yours that you wish to create. It could be all the very same thing or a little bit of three different dreams, but just milestones where you can create and make more tangible something which you wanted to make into reality, a manifestation. It could be the very same thing in three different phases, and you seeing it coming into life, speaking it into existence, and making the dream a reality would fuel you in your normal day job or your normal day to day activities. Yeah, instead of having only the mundane, or not to say mundane, I mean, I'm sure you enjoy what you do during the day, but besides having your day job, you'd have another goal or dream you've had in mind, or wish or idea that seeing it come true will actually bring you joy and help fuel your normal day to day. So I hope, guys, that helps you to have some focus and determination, but also just to remember that your life is magical. There's magic in the little moments, and having such this whole set of cards is feels so good. It feels so magical. I mean, enchantment, abundance, and the rainbow in study. So study is also forms of learning and teaching. And I feel by creating those 2 month milestones, you'd be teaching yourself to create whatever you wish. For example, if you wish to create videos, you could be learning video editing. If you wish to create a garden, you could be learning gardening. If you wish to create um, a video, you might be learning public speaking. There's so many different things you could create. So all of those things and this whole set of cards feel really magical. So I hope you will have a magical next few months, 6 months, from the solstice until the next one. I really feel your energy and Taurus itself tapping into magic, the magic of yesteryear, the magic of today, and the magic of the future. And tapping into your planet Venus will help bring you that sense of magic, sense of luck, and sense of wonderment. So enjoy the next few months. Have a great one, and comment below on whatever you wish to create. Have fun. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and it's today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.